I had way more fun with this than I expected. This is the Disappearing Lines Paint by Number kit, and the first glance it feels simple, almost old school, and then you get those little animal pages with numbered sections and a set of dual tip markers, and it's very fun. The markers are decent. If you go back over the same area a lot, you're going to see some fine lines. What I found worked best was actually letting the colors overlap a little bit instead of trying to make everything perfectly solid. When you layer them gently, you actually get this softer blended look that feels more intentional and honestly more satisfying. And isn't that the whole vibe of this kit? It's not about perfection, it's about slowing down, following the numbers, and letting your brain relax a bit. This would be great for kids who like structure, but it's also really nice for adults who want something low pressure to do with their hands while they unwind. Now, here's where the fun part really comes in. Once you're done coloring, the lines aren't permanent. They're heat reactive. So instead of being stuck with visible outlines, you apply heat and the lines just magically disappear. It's one of those things that feels a little magical that first time you see it happen, especially if you're a kid. A quick note here, the kit was gifted to me, but this is my honest review. I'm sharing exactly how it worked for me and what I noticed along the way. You'll get the guided pages if you want that paint by number experience, but you also get blank sheets that you can just draw freely. Overall, this feels like a great option for kids and adults who enjoy calm, creative activities without a lot of pressure or mess. It's relaxing, it's satisfying, and the disappearing lines add a really cool finishing touch. Follow the numbers, stay in the flow, and the art comes together.